Hello guys, today I will be showing you how to disable window animations to speed up. If you find this video helpful, please do like and subscribe. So I will be showing you a few methods here. First, you have to go to your settings and then tap on ease of access. Click this one. Here under ease of access, what you're going to do is you have to look for show animations on Windows, which is this one. Toggle this one off or turn this one off. Aside from that, you can now exit this ease of access under settings, and this time you have to look for system. Here on system, what you're going to do is you have to look for ease of access center. Tap this one right here. Now you have to look for make the computer easier to see. Tap this one. Now scroll down here and look for turn off all unnecessary animations. Tap on apply and then click OK. Now here's the thing, the last method here is you have to go to control panel. So type control panel and then tap on open. Go to the view and then select small icon. Now you have to look for system again. Tap on system here. Now under system, what you're going to do is you have to look for advanced system settings. And then here, click advanced. Tap this one. Scroll down and tap on adjust for best performance. Tap apply, tap OK. I hope this video helped you. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.